If you're thinking about a career in finance, or if you're looking to hire someone to do the accounts for your business, you may be wondering what the difference is between a bookkeeper and an accountant. Although bookkeepers and accountants are both involved in doing the accounts for businesses, they are different jobs and require different skills and qualifications. So let's start by taking a look at the tasks bookkeepers perform compared to the tasks accountants perform, and finish off with a look at what qualifications you need to be an accountant versus a bookkeeper. By the time we're finished, you will know the difference between the two jobs, so you can decide which career is right for you or which role you need to hire in your business. In a nutshell, bookkeeping is the practice of recording, processing, summarizing, and reporting financial transactions in a set of accounts. As you can see here, those tasks include things like data entry, reconciling bank transactions, paying bills, and chasing up invoices. Each of these tasks relates to the day-to-day transactions of a business, so the tasks are usually performed daily or weekly. Accounting, on the other hand, is more focused on the bigger picture of the business. Some of the tasks performed by accountants include presenting summarized financial reports to decision makers monthly, quarterly, and annually, providing tax advice and managing the tax affairs of the business, providing some financial and strategic advice, and managing the team of bookkeepers and accountants that work for the business. As you can see, these are very different tasks, which makes it easy to see the difference between bookkeepers and accountants. But despite this difference, some tasks can be performed by either a bookkeeper or an accountant. These tasks include processing payroll, preparing tax reports or tax returns, and preparing monthly reports. So there is some crossover between bookkeepers and accountants when considering the tasks they perform. Where there is no crossover, however, is the education and qualification requirements of each role. Generally, bookkeepers do not need to complete a formal education, such as a bachelor's degree or a government-accredited certificate or diploma. Instead, bookkeepers can simply learn on the job, or they can complete certifications offered for free by accounting systems such as Xero or QuickBooks. Accountants, on the other hand, need to complete a bachelor's degree in accounting, at the very least. Once in the workforce, accountants may also complete a postgraduate qualification such as CPA or CIMA, and may also have ongoing continued professional development requirements to complete each year. This means that while anyone can call themselves a bookkeeper, not everyone can call themselves an accountant. So those are the main differences between accountants and bookkeepers.